Look at that, some ice hockey. This is the Compton Family Ice Arena here at the University of Notre Dame. They have another elevator here. Notre 330A from 2011. This is like the service car. Definitely interesting shape. Yeah, this is like the service car. Lung knock. Cool. Oops, I didn't get the lung knock. This is technically the service elevator. This is definitely the service car here. It's a weird shape, too. It's kind of a mix of a hybrid and a passenger. It's definitely a weird one. HT. And a service passage. Compton Family Ice Arena. It's kind of the weird one, honestly. Yeah, look at this size thing. There goes the elevator. There's the hockey ice rink down there. Look at that. Nice. Some flags over there. Cool. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.